In this guide, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways that you can use in order to get advanced mechanical components here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But as I said, there is 3 methods here, so we're going to start with the first method, which is going to be crafting. If you go to the main menu here, you can go up to the very top and select workshop, just like so. And what you're going to want to do is hit this little plus icon down here and install yourself the refiner. Now, once you do install the refiner, which keep in mind you are going to need 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells to do, you'll be able to simply select that refiner and craft advanced mechanical components using 2 springs and 2 mechanical components. This is by far the easiest method. Now, the second method, however, is going to be through your inventory. What you're going to want to do is recycle. Now, recycling items that you already have will sometimes give you advanced mechanical components that you need. The keyword here is some, though. There's a chance that you won't get them, and that is very unfortunate. But don't worry, because we do have another method as well, and that is looting. What you're going to want to do is open up the map just like so and go into every single one of these options here. For example, let's say Stella Montes, hit inspect, and what you're looking for is options with these little like metal cogwheel gears. This is going to be areas that you're going to want to check because they will have a higher chance of spawning advanced mechanical components. Now, you could also check cars and other mechanical objects while exploring, but any area that has this little like settings gear here is going to have mechanical parts in it. It really is as simple as that. If at any point you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.